Hello and welcome back to another video from Tiny House and Offgrid Resources. I'm a little concerned. I've been making stoves for 17 or 18 years now, and there are people who are copying my designs. They're available to purchase. These people are selling them on the internet. They're a little dodgy, and I've got some photos coming up. But first of all, I just want to show you the attention to detail on a blazing stoves. Hidden welds, the best components, stainless steel hardware, top quality paint, years of experience and design has gone into each one. This is what the other people are knocking out. Have a look at this. They don't sandblast, they burn. The doors don't fit. The welds are appalling. They're not even bolting them down. The paint's falling off. They can't even bolt them down in an attractive way in a vehicle. These things are bloody awful. Please do yourself a favour. Look at a genuine blazing stove. It's full of safety features. Everything's built properly. I stand by my work. Get yourself a blazing stoves. Don't save yourself $50 or $60 looking at some of these other one-off creations that people do. Every stove's made by me. I make 9 different designs. They're all superb. Ask anybody who's got one.